What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today I'll be trying my hand at the new strawberry biscuits from Popeyes, but my way, of course. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's bake. We're going to start by sifting together our dry ingredients, which are all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and granulated sugar. Our dry ingredients are mixed together, so next we're going to go in with some cold unsalted butter that I cubed up. We're going to cut this butter into our flour using a pastry blender, whisk, or fork. Now we just want to cut this in until it resembles the size of peas. Our butter is cut in, so now we're going to make a well in the center, pour in some cold buttermilk, and stir until the dough comes together. Next, we're going to gently fold in our fresh chopped strawberries. Now, anytime I add fresh fruit to my dough or cakes, I like to toss in a little flour so that the fruit is evenly distributed when baking. And of course, you can certainly chop your strawberries up smaller than this if you want. This is just the size that I want in mine. Our strawberries are mixed in, so we're going to flour our work surface so we can roll out our dough. I'm using my cutting board here, so of course our dough is sticky, so we want to make it easy to work with. So we're going to gently knead it for about 20 seconds, adding in a little flour as needed. After kneading our dough for 20 seconds, we're going to fold it a few times to create layers on our biscuits so it will give it some height. This also makes it flaky, so I'm going to fold it in half from top to bottom and then fold in the sides as well. I'm going to repeat this process for about 8 folds. So after folding the dough, we're ready to roll. So of course I'm going to flour my rolling pin, and we're going to roll the dough out to about a ½ inch to 1 inch thickness. And then we're going to cut our biscuits out using either a biscuit cutter or cookie cutter, whichever you have. And we're going to throw them right on our greased baking pan or whatever dish you're using. As you can see, we have leftover dough here. Some people choose to discard it. However, I choose to gently rework it, making sure I don't overwork it, and they still come out great. So this is totally up to you. I was able to get 10 nice sized biscuits out of this dough. Now I'm going to brush the tops with melted butter or an egg wash, and then we'll be ready to bake. We're going to bake these biscuits at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 12 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. Here they are fresh out of the oven. We're going to brush on some more butter, allow them to cool for 10 to 15 minutes before we drizzle on that yummy glaze. I went ahead and plated these babies on up. Off camera, I made a quick powdered sugar glaze and added in some strawberry extract for that extra strawberry flavor. We're going to drizzle this glaze all over these biscuits and enjoy. It's a little blurry, but I had to break one open for y'all. These biscuits are nice and fluffy. They have the perfect balance of sweetness and are not dry at all like your typical Popeyes biscuits. You guys have to give this recipe a try. I promise you'll be right back in the kitchen grabbing more. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to bake with me. Make sure you like this video up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.